Hello student, welcome to my channel CodewallAcademy, and in this video we'll learn about one most common problems related to the math y to the power 1 by m plus y to the power minus 1 by m equal to 2x. This equation is given and you need to prove that x to the power y2 plus xy1 minus n to the power 2 y equal to 0. This equation is given and you need to prove this one. Okay, so this question is very easy for those student who is doing pursuing BCA and BCA maths. They felt some problem in this question while solving. So I just want to clear the whole the concept related to this question in this video, so keep watching at the till end of this video and solve this question step by step using this video. Okay, so I just given 1 by m plus y to the power 1 minus m and equal to 2x. You just need to differentiate this given equation with respect to the x. So I just differentiate and you know very well if y equal to x to the power n is given, so you can differentiate like n x to the power n minus 1 into x. One time करेंगे तो 1 बचेगा, तो you can write this n x to the power n minus 1. So in this form you can differentiate the whole given equation. So I just differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so keep 1 by m here and y to the power 1 by m minus 1 plus 1 y to the power 1 by m minus 1. Okay, so here you can write 2. Once you differentiate with respect to x, you can directly get 1, so directly I put 2. So arrange this equation first, so I can write here. You can see y to the power 1 by m minus y1, and in this equation is also y to the power 1 by m minus 1. So minus 1 we can take a common, so minus 1 take a common, and now you can write this expression in this form: plus minus minus equal to 2. Now okay, you can arrange in this form and you can directly put like 1 by m equal to 2, and you can write like 1 by m minus 1 by m y to the power minus 1 by m. And once you differentiate this equation, I miss one step here. You can also write dy by dx. Okay, because once you differentiate y, you can write dy by dx. Okay, so dy by dx is also there, and in this equation also write dy by dx, dy by dx. Once you differentiate y with respect to x, so you can write a dy by dx. Here is also dy by dx mentioned, and 2my. Okay, we write in this form. Now you have to squaring of both sides, so this equation is formed after the differentiation with respect to the x. Now you have to squaring both sides, squaring both sides. Okay, so squaring of both sides, you can write 1 by m minus 1 by m square. Dy by dx is also squared, and 2my square. Okay, once you square in this form like a minus b to the power 2, you can write this a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so you write this equation in this form, so to the power m y to the power 2 by m minus at the place of minus you can write here plus y to the power minus 2 by m minus 2 into y to the power 1 by m minus 1 by m. Okay, and dy by dx whole square equal to 4m square or y square. Okay, so here you can write this. Base are the same, so power will be added, and you can write this equation in the form like minus 2, okay, and dy by dx whole square equal to 4m square or y square. This is your given equations, and now we have this equation will be like 2. Okay, first equation is also given, so I mentioned this one is 2. You can mention 1. It's totally depends upon you. So now you have to do a given equation is like 1 to the power y to the power 1 by m plus y to the power 1 minus m e- equal to 2x. This equation is given, right? So you just need to differentiate this equation. No, not differentiate. You just need to squaring this equation. Once you are squaring this equation, you will write this in the form of minus 2 by m plus 2 y to the power 1 by m into y to the power minus 1 by m. Here 4x मीन्स 2x स्क्वायर का अगर आप कर देते हो तो अभी मैं नहीं लिख पाऊंगी इसको. So you just need to write this in the form like y to the power m plus y to the power minus, sorry, y to the power 2 by m minus 2 by m plus 2, and here you can write 4 to 4x square, right? So you can arrange in the form like 2 to the y to the power 2 by m plus y to the power minus 2 by m equal to 4x square minus 2, right? This will be equation third. So I hope this will be clear for all. Okay, how this will come. So we just need, after this step we just need to put this equation in equation 2. So at the place of y to the power 2 by m plus y to the power minus 2 by m equal to 4x square. Okay, so at this place directly we put this one in the equation 2. So put equation 3 in equation 2. Okay, so at this place equation 2 is y to the power, so I just need 4x square minus 2, right? And dy by dx square का whole dy by dx का whole equal to 4m square y square, right? 4m square and y square. So now we solve this x square minus minus plus 4 dy by dx का whole square equal to 4m square y square, right? So take a 4 common, 4 x square minus 1, and you can write in this form dx, and take also 4 common from this side. So now you can write this. Okay, so now we have to do delete the 4 common 4, and you can write this equation in this form dy by dx whole square equal to m y2. Now we need to square. Now we need to differentiate these equations. Okay, so again differentiate given equation with respect to x. So differentiate equation with respect to x. Okay, so here we use a product rule like in the form of u and v. You can put a u and differentiate plus v du by dx in this form. Okay, so applying this rule here, so put x square minus 1 and differentiate this, the power will be here, so dy by dx. Okay, and again dy by dx d2x by, sorry, d2y by dx square होता है. So at this place d2y by dx square. Again, you need to differentiate dy by dx, so it will be formed in this form. Okay. Here you can again plus. Okay, dy by dx will be the same. And now at this time, you have to differentiate x to the power minus 1 to x to the power minus 1 is like 2x, 1 is a constant, so it will be the 0. And in this side, you can take a m is a constant, so m will be m squared, and you will differentiate y to the square to 2y, and y again differentiate to dy by dx. Okay, this will be clear for you all. And now we take some common terms, so we can take a 2 and dy by dx common, because we can see 2 and dy by dx common both sides. So taking 2 dy by dx common, so write this one like d2y by dx square. Okay, and here once we take a common dy by dx, so once dy by dx left here, so I can arrange like x dy by dx. Okay, and so here you can write like 2 dy by dx and m square y. Okay, so you can delete common terms like in this term. Now you can write x square minus 1 d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx. Here you can write m2 by y, sorry, m2y. Okay, by y name. Okay, we delete a common term, so m2y. Okay, so directly write m2y. And now you can you know very well, if y equal to x2 is given, and once you differentiate one time, you can write like y1 equal to 2x, right? Again you differentiate y1, you can write like y2 equal to 2. So here d2y by dx square is given, so you can use at this place y2. Okay, so x square minus 1, so we can directly put a y2 here, and in the term of dy by dx, you can write here x y1, right, equal to m square y. So once m square y comes here, y2 plus x y1 in this side, so it will be minus m square y, and here we can equal to take a equal to 0. So this equation will be proved. Let's check what we have to prove. Yeah, proof that is given like x square minus 1 y2 plus xy1 minus m square y equal to 0. So you can see below, this equation will be proved. So write down hence proved. I hope you will understand this concept very well. And if you have any problem and any confusions related to these questions, watch this video again and again and clear your concept. Maybe it will be helpful for you. This video will help you for solving such type of questions. Keep watching and share with your friends. Like and subscribe CodeWall Academy, and see you in next video.